In this video, we're gonna show you how to enter carbon emission data for category 3 and 4 in GreenSwift. After creating a profile, go to Identification of Emission Sources. Click Add. We'll use this emission data as an example for this demonstration. In Scope, select Category 3, Indirect GHG emissions from transportation. For emission source type, select Employee commuting. In Emission Source, scroll down to find a motorcycle. Select it. Since the motorcycle runs on fuel, select Raw Fuel for materials. The field next to it will show options based on the selected materials. You can look for other options by scrolling down as well. Upload an image of the vehicle or other supporting documents if you have one. Then click Confirm. The emission data you just entered will show up here. Now let's enter the activity data. Click on Activity Data. This is what you will see. Click the icon that says Register. In this part, some details need to be specified accordingly. Select passenger kilometers as it is how employee commuting is measured. Specify measurement method. Set year as the calculation cycle. Since this data is provided by employees themselves, opt for not calibrated or not consolidated in this field. As for the activity data for the whole year, enter 145021.2. Upload attachments. After you have done with all required fields, click Create. As you can see, the status is now updated to registered. The next is emission calculation. Click on Emission Calculation. The system will factor in the given coefficient and come up with estimated emissions right here. For multiple emission data, the system adds them up and shows you the total emissions provided on the bottom right. Now, let's try entering emission data for category 4. In this part, we'll use this data over here to demonstrate. We'll go through basically the same thing, except for the part where you specify identification of emission sources. You will see the difference in the following steps. Click Add. Select Category 4, Indirect GHG emissions from products used by an organization. In Emission Source Type, opt for Purchased Products. For Carbon Footprint Coefficient, you can either customize it or search in this drop-down list. You can also enter keywords to help you. Since wafer falls under the type of electronics, you will see wafer in the subtype. Select wafer. The coefficient will be shown here. You can click on the name for more details about the coefficient of the selected item. Click on the icon that says Bring in under action. You'll see silicon wafer 6 inches, the one you selected, in carbon footprint coefficient. Wafer is a purchased product, so select Products. For the field next to it, search for Foundry wafer 6 inches. Upload an image and click Confirm. The rest is the same we did with category 3. Set piece as the unit. Specify measurement method and calculation cycle. Enter 8732 in activity data. Lastly, upload supporting documents. The total emissions will be calculated and shown here. This is how simple it is to enter emission data for category 3 and 4 with GreenSwift. If you come across any problems or have questions, reach out to us for help.